Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Shopify versus Wix, which is the best e-commerce website builder. If you're looking to create an online store, Shopify and Wix are two of the most popular options. Here's a breakdown starting with Shopify. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform designed specifically for online stores. It handles everything from inventory management to secure checkout and payment gateways. It's built specifically for e-commerce, so it has advanced selling features, supports multi-channel selling on Amazon, Instagram, and Facebook, and strong inventory and order management tools, also a large app marketplace to extend functionality. It is scalable, good for small stores and large enterprises alike. But the monthly subscription plans can be more expensive than Wix, and customization outside the templates may require coding knowledge. Now moving on to Wix. Wix is a general website builder with e-commerce capabilities. It's designed for ease of use and allows anyone to create a website quickly with a drag-and-drop editor. It has a very user-friendly interface, ideal for beginners, offers flexible design options and customizable templates, and all-in-one platform, no coding required. More affordable plans for small stores or personal projects. But e-commerce tools are less advanced compared to Shopify, and scaling a large online store can become difficult. Also, it's limited multi-channel selling compared to Shopify. So, choose Shopify if you focus in serious e-commerce, selling on multiple channels, or planning to scale. And choose Wix if you want a simple website with some online stores, features, prioritize ease of use, or are just starting out. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.